Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Nissan Qashqai Tekna Plus. This car comes with a 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 113 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 52 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 29,000 miles and comes with full service history from Nissan. This particular colour is the gun metallic and looks in great condition for the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have a nice clean interior. The Tekna Plus comes with an incredible large amount of features. So starting off on the seats there, the seats are leather, the front being heated and electric. And there's a armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then a few other features I can mention. The car has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. We've also got a heated steering wheel button just down there. And then on the driver's door card, you have your Bose sound system speakers, as well as your automatic folding door mirrors and your 4 window controls. And being the Tekna Plus, you also have the large glass roof as well, so that's ideal for the summer. The Qashqai is a great car for the family, so a nice wide door opening to the back, a good amount of legroom and headroom if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have pockets in the back of the front seats, as well as 2 charging ports there in the centre. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot with the rear splitting seats there, as well as the parcel shelf and the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, so you can hide bits and pieces underneath if you wish, or you can remove it completely. And below that, you have your tyre inflator kit there, as well as your subwoofer. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and 360-degree parking cameras. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.